Hello, I'm Matt, and today we're going to be checking out the screen protector for the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. Now it's a matte screen protector and it's right over here. I'm super excited to check it out. This is going to be great. This screen gets a bit of glare when it's on, and I'd love for it to not be so glary. So we're going to go ahead and get this set up and take you along for the ride. Alright, the box is very nice. There's very unlikely that this will get damaged in transit. This is tempered glass, so that is awesome. We make sure we clean the screen, open the climate control is off, and I'm going to go ahead and use their alcohol wipe to clean the screen. So this should get rid of any of the impurities on here. And you want to put your screen to cleaning mode. Since mine's in the charging screen, it's not going to affect anything. And looking at the screen now, we can see that it is perfectly clear except for one little dot right there and right there now. Make sure those go away. Using the reflection of my flashlight to look around the screen. We got one right here. That should dry up shortly. So as soon as this is dry, we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, and that looks good. One more quick look around. Everything's golden. All right, let's go ahead and open up the console, or the screen protector here, and we can see at the back side, it's right here, we're not going to touch. So taking very good care to align this, we're going to start in one corner, work our way over, looking at the top edge, and then roll it down. Working from top to bottom works best, so I'm actually going to use my cloth right here to work this down so I don't scratch anything. And you can see it right here working its way down. I'm just going to load and leave it right there. I'm going to get this air bubble out just by pressing on it. Got an air bubble right here, and we're going to go ahead and work that out as well. We might need to pull up on this a little bit more here. Okay, that air bubble is gone. I think there might be something stuck in the screen here. Okay, that might be an imperfection, so hey, nothing can be perfect, right? Okay, coming down now, we're just rolling it in a little bit more here and letting it rest. In the meantime, we're working this air bubble out, pushing to the sides as well. And for this one too, we're just going to push out to the side of the screen. And it is working its way over. Just going to take some patience here. It looks like that one is worked out. And I'm just going to look at the reflection in my hand in here to make sure that everything else is good. The fitment looks really nice. There's a little bit of a gap down here and right here, but you know, I think that's just my user error right here. I don't have it perfectly level, but you know, that's my own installation there. So I think the product itself is cut perfectly. Just needs some precision to install, and that's okay. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get this one out, but I did get that one. I think this is an imperfection in the protector. That's okay. I'm not that worried about it. One more popped up over this way. Okay, so now we've gone ahead and installed the screen protector. Let's go ahead and see what kind of fingerprints it leaves. So as you can see here in the reflection, I'm touching it. Fingerprints are pretty good. I'm not really seeing any. I'm sure eventually it'll get some, but overall the fingerprint protection is much better than the stock display. And let's go ahead and wake up the car. And it looks like it's all good. Everything's working as it should. I actually like the feel of the touch even more here. Everything responds properly like it should. That is awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and give this 5 stars. I really like it. I had one imperfection here, but I'm not that worried about it. If you're someone who wants completely perfect, I'm sure that they would help you with a replacement on this. They are a very good company, and I've been really impressed with the work that they do. So I can see right now this has much less glare, so that's awesome. It should be a lot better during the daytime, and I'm really excited to use this. Alright, so that's it. I really appreciate you watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe if it helped you. And we'll have more reviews on our channel soon and more Tesla videos. So if you're a Tesla owner, please subscribe. I'd love to have your support. And we'll see you in the next one.